Hey guys, here we are with a 2017 Ford Expedition. I want to show you how I wired up this Redarc Tow Pro Liberty electric brake controller. So you pull this out, and this is a change holder. So pull that out and your factory wires will be there. And then let's see if I can get this I purchased from E-Trailer, and it come with this harness. I believe the TPH07 is what we're looking for there. And so that harness plugged into my, I don't know where it's at. So it's this wire. So that harness plugged into my factory. See it there in the background there. And then this one plugs into my Redarc. And back up a little bit. And then this cord plugs into my Redarc. And this cord is going to go to my my little controller there. And so this panel didn't have anything on it. When you pull it down, there's plenty of room behind it. It's got this spot already. There was a plug here. It was like a false plug. You can see there I've cut it off because I wanted my button to be vertical. And so I just took a little flush cut multi-tool and cut that off. And you drill a 3/8 hole for the knob, and then like a 1/16 inch hole for that. It's all that's in your instructions here. Let's see. There it is. Tells you what size hole to drill. And then you'll insert that, and there's a little nut there that you tighten up. And then we're going to assemble this, and we're going to plug this Ethernet into this. And you do need, it says in the instructions to install this to a rigid, because it learns the orientation that this is mounted in, and that it needs to not change orientation. It needs to be mounted rigidly. So do that. This is a pretty simple process. I've been working on it off and on today. And there's just, to take this off, there's just a couple bolts on here on the bottom. Everything pops off. Leave your comments if you got any questions.